Hazy mist, smoking rollies in the back of an Acura, acting like we sober with the pigs on the back of us, swerving through suburbia. You're bleeding naked, yes. Only urban to you, cultures, I'm the culture, you fucking bossy. Your girl's eyes rolling B, swear she ain't rolled me on the road near the forest, but she forged for these nuts just for none. Now I'm busted in your mama's house, smack the taste out your mouth. Take the biscuits and dip them, then dip them in the tea that I'm spilling, room spinning from the X in my system, pure sweating for a bop with my jaw swinging vicious. My girl crying on the phone, always swear she a victim, cause her friend got evicted. Purple hickeys on my skin, always bruised like a peach. A soft click of the keys when I tweet, black men don't cheat.
When it rains it pours, such a pity. Where you from in Dublin City? Don't be alone if you roam, the longest way round is the shortest way home. It rains, it pours, such a pity. Where you from in Dublin City?
But I'm drowning in these sheets, purple lens round my neck, kinda difficult to breathe. Yeah, I'm gasping for some air, why the fuck would I leave? Always surface slow when she tells me to leave. I done grafting with grafting, I didn't leave this for the art. Why you leaving me as shine? I'm an actor trying to start. Starring on my Insta, we got flex for the grind, scooping up a couple grams like a pillow of sap. Sad man, working heavy, feeling sleep at the wheel. Car starts spinning, I can't tell if it's real.
To the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away.
Woke up wanting you beside me. I don't know what else to say. Ain't no particular reason, just hit by your wave. Maybe I'll grab a cup of coffee and listen to our favorite song. I'm such an idiot, I'm pathetic. Thought I was moving on. I don't want anybody, I want you. I miss your olive skin, I miss my muse.
Tears fall at last. I see my past like it's still around. But am I happy now? Am I happy now? Are you happy now? Pictures might last, but my frame just cracked. Think I'm going down. Had to light this up. Am I happy now? Am I happy now? Now to it all. Different heights, but it's the same old fall. Am I happy now?
Here's a thrift haul of the things that I got yesterday. First were these lavender colored Vans. They had stains all over them, but when I washed them, all of them came right off. Then these black sneakers that had this white sole, kind of beat up, but when I brushed it with soap and water, the stains came right off. And then they had these really pretty pinkish red flowers. I've been obsessed with like knee-high boots lately, and the heels and the pointy toe are giving like retro 70s, and the chocolate brown was beautiful, but the belt buckle action we were getting there was not it, so I took that off. I honestly got this bag just because it was pale yellow and I love pastels, but since I bought it, I've already styled it like 3 outfits, so money was not wasted. I love that bag. And then I got this one for the Y2K vibes, the like really odd vibes. It looks like something I'd see on Disney Channel, and I really like that. And then there's this black basic baguette bag because everyone needs one, or at least I do. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.